Hi everybody, meet Lola. Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, as you can tell from the title of this video, we're getting a puppy. We have kind of been like hinting, and we've got a lot of surprises coming up. So there's another surprise coming after this. But we are getting a new dog. She is a full-size goldendoodle. She'll be 9 weeks old when we pick her up. We weren't like planning on getting another dog, but
right opportunity came up.
Right, and we always knew we wanted another bigger dog. I'm allergic, so it had to be some kind of a doodle mix. And Lux is still a puppy, so I call her a puppy. She's only 2, so she should get along still good with it. Like, it's not like she's an old little angry bird yet. So we're going to Petco. We're going to get her little tag made and everything. So we're going to show you like some of the stuff we're getting for the new dog, and then the end of this vlog will like be us like picking Lola up, and oh, that's her name. Our new puppy's name is Lola. But picking her up, bringing her home,
Lux and Lola,
introducing her to Lux and all that good stuff. So welcome to the puppy vlog. Here we go. We're here.
probably back here somewhere.
Okay, so what we're really here to look for is like one of those doggy playpens. I don't even know if you can hear me with my mask on, but we want one of those, a dog bed, and just kind of see what else they have.
He tries to get up and comes back down.
Okay, so we just got out of PetSmart and we're gonna do a little what we got for puppy girl haul. So as you guys saw, we got the little name tag that says Lola. And the thing is, she's going to get big. Like, even though she's smaller than Lux right now, she's going to get like very big, like bigger than a golden retriever is what we're anticipating. So we did get her some stuff that like she can't use now, but she will.
Yeah.
So here's that little gift thing. So we got her little puppy bones. We'll do the toy stuff first. Oh, Max picked these. So we've also been saying she's Max's dog. Like, Lux was like my dog, and like it's both of our dogs, that's the thing. But Lux is like a very girly girl. She's very spoiled, and like Max is the one that really wanted a bigger dog, like a garage dog. So this is like, Lola is his little girl. So just keep that in mind with the color palette of the things we got. So these are little puppy bones, because she does chew a lot, which is like every puppy ever, so that's fine. Show receipt. And then this is just another little puppy bone. We didn't want to get her too many puppy toys. Like, those she can all kind of chew.
Well, she'll be
apart.
the same size as Lux before.
Right. And then we did get 2 things for Lux. But so we got her a collar, which this is not going to fit her right now. And she honestly, there's a high chance that she will end up outgrowing this. But this is medium. I thought we got the large. Oops. Anyway, it is little cactuses. How cute is that? And we got her the matching lead with that. To start, like, because she's so small, we have Lux's from when she was like a new puppy that we're just going to use, because they don't fit Lux anymore either, so we already have those. So, but we got her the matching like little cactus lead for that. And this was our not our only big splurge, but this is what we were really excited for. This is not going to fit her right now, and it is really shrunk up because it's actually an extra large. But it matches her collar, so we're really excited about this.
I'm excited about
that.
that.
We were like, oh, this isn't gonna fit her forever, but it matches, it's cute, and it wasn't on sale, but somebody definitely tried this on their dog. So those are the things that we got Lola, and like we said, we don't want to get her too much because she is going to grow a bunch in the first year. That being said, we still need to get her a dog bowl.
We did get some spray too. It's on the back seat.
Oh yeah, we got it's like for like puppy accidents, it's like hardwood cleaner. We got her a bed, which you can see back there. It's cute. It has like little stripes on. So we got that, and then For Lux, we just got, she has not been eating her food. We've changed her food. We don't know why. She literally just wants to eat people food, which we try not to give her ever. But so these are just little taste toppers that I've seen before, but they resale. So we're going to try these for Lux, who is our dog now, to see if she will eat with that. But we still want to get like a pen for her, which will also help kind of like ease Lux into her, I think. We can put it out in the yard for them then, and we need dog bowls, and we want ones that are kind of on racks. We didn't like any in there, so we're gonna run into TJ Maxx and see if we find anything there. We just got out of TJ's and we got this super cute wood bowl. I would like to try and find something like this for Lux that really matches the aesthetic of our new house. That is just little poop bag things I can't reach that are biodegradable. And we got this super cute new rug for our house, which we're really excited for. I hope it fits in our hallway. It's like a giant runner. So we still need to find a gate, and we don't really know where to go to look for one. But this is our little puppy setup. She comes home in a week. We actually ended up buying 2 of these at Tractor Supply because once she's like, we're not using this in the house for her anymore, we're going to hook them together and just like connect it to the porch on our new house, and then they can have like a little place to run out and go to the bathroom when we're with them. So this is for puppy though. We figure sheets we can change out for accidents to kind of protect the floors a little bit. She'll probably end up eating that blanket, which is fine. Those things we just have to like kind of like gather the scent of like what's in here, because we're gonna take that blanket when we pick her up, and her leash and collar, and then just 2 bowls. Lux isn't really sure about it. Also, I just want to show you guys like the in case you were wondering like what it was, this is the brand that it is, and then this is the height that we got, 3'2", and I think it is plenty high. And it actually comes with, oh, my dead fiddle leaf. These are like stakes that you can stick down over it then in the grass, so it doesn't tip over if a dog were to jump up on it. I mean, it's pretty secure right now. Like, I mean, it moves. Yeah. But when it's in the grass, like, we would never put the dogs out if we weren't out there with them in it. But for us to just like be on our deck hanging and let the dogs go out into the grass, like, that is perfectly fine. So that is why we went bigger, even though she is so small when we get her, because she's gonna grow so fast. So next time we see you will probably be the day we go pick up Lola on our way to go get the puppy.
Here we go.
I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous. I was pumping gas before we left, and I was like, am I prepared for this though?
Can you ever be prepared?
I don't think.
Fully.
See you. Hi everybody, meet Lola. This is little Lola. Guys, this is Lola. She keeps checking Max out. I don't know what she's doing.
She's scared.
Yeah. You don't want to show your pretty face off. Max and Lola are over here in their pen. Don't mind this, we're moving, remember? Hi, little Lola. So I was a good girl. I went potty outside. I'll let Lux out. She knows there's another animal in her house. Who is that? Is that your sister? Oh.
Hey. Hey.
It's okay. Come here. Come here. Hey.
Hey. Come here. Come here.
Go ahead.
Come on. Come on.
Bang. What are you crying about?
Say hi, Mom, to the puppy vlog.
Okay, toys for puppies.
She's the best puppy grandma ever.
1 for each.
I think that's 2 for 1.
And oh yeah, 2 for Lux.
Of course, that's okay.
But that's only because she ate this one the other day.
Come on, come here, Lola. Come on. Hi. That scared Lola earlier. Lux was trying to play earlier.
You wait for the step, she'd open her eyes again.
Hi, little girl. Oh. Plot twist, there's a puppy. Are we out at Craigie's? What do you have? She fell asleep. Alright guys, so we are actually out of my dad's right now. Lola has made her round. She met my mom, she met Max's parents, and now we're at my dad's house. And she is tired, but she's loving every minute of it. So you can see her down here playing with her little water dish. We have some water and food out here for her, and then just the hammocks set up in the tree. So we're just gonna hang in the shade a little. I figure she'll honestly probably fall asleep. But I'm going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And if you subscribe, you will definitely be seeing a lot more of our little puppy girl. So thanks for watching. Bye.